Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover two topics in this video. Adaptations in plants of rainforest and adaptations in plants of deciduous forest. So let's start with the first one, adaptations in plants of rainforest. Rainforests are in warm regions that get good amount of rain throughout the year. Plants growing in rainforests are adapted to grow in wet condition. Most of the plants have smooth stem which allows water to quickly flow towards the ground. We can say the stems are so smooth that water can slide off or water can easily slip off from the tree or plant. Clear? And they have waxy surface on leaves and they have drip tips of the leaves. The leaves are having waxy surface and they also have drip tips. Such leaves make raindrop run off quickly. So we can say whenever rain fall over them, then these leaves are in such structure, they have drip tips, because of which the raindrops doesn't stay on the leaf, it slips off quickly. Clear? The growth of trees in rainforest are so dense that the little sunlight reaches the forest floor. To get enough sunlight, trees in rainforest grow very tall. Some plants climb on trees to reach the sunlight available at the top. So, these are the adaptations in plants of rainforest. What are these? Trees grow very tall and have shallow roots. Leaves have drip tips to lose extra water. The plants of forest floor have large leaves to soak up the very little sunlight that gets to them. And also remember that they have many climbers to reach the sunlight which is available at the top. Now, next one is adaptations in plants of deciduous forest. Deciduous forests are found in regions that have very cold winter season. Yes, these are found in regions having very cold winter season. So, some plants that grow in deciduous forest are maple tree, ferns, beech tree, oak tree, birch tree and lichen. These are the example of plants of deciduous forest. Clear? See, as you can see in the picture, trees have a trunk with a thick bark. Trees have trunk with a thick bark. This thick bark protects trees and drooping leaves in winter, conserves water and nutrient during cold winters. See, because of this thick bark, the water can be conserved or it can be safely kept inside the stem during cold winters. Clear? And it also have some nutrients inside it which help the plant to be alive during the cold winters. The leaves are broad and able to capture lots of sunlight in summer. As you can see, the leaves are broad and able to capture lots of sunlight in summer. During winter season, the trees shed their leaves. See, these are the adaptations